This is the Mkono woven storage basket. And the coolest thing that I really like about this thing, I've been seeing these woven baskets take a huge liking on social media just because people are into it. They like to use it more of a decorative piece, or they can even use it just for blankets, toys, clothes, shoes, plant organizer, or just something to have decorative around the house. So this is super cute. It does come with your little tassel, and I'll put it on here. Excuse me. Here's a little tassel. You want to smell it? The little tassel that goes onto the bag. You can go ahead and just simply, slide it in there. You get your little cute little tassel for the design as well. And the coolest things I like about these ones, I've seen people put towels and then put them in their washroom so that when they have guests that are staying with them, the towels are nicely roundly folded into these woven baskets. This is really cute. So the width on this is 16 inches by 13.8 in length. It does come in 3 colors. It comes in the brown, which is the one I'm holding right now. It also does come in white, and it comes in a white and yellow. It's more of like a white and brown. So it's super cute, super comfy. And of course, it does come in 3 sizes. This size, as I mentioned, is 16 by 13.8. It comes in a smaller size by 11 by 11, or a medium size of 15 by 17.7. So this is the largest size right here. And you know what? Also at the same time, you don't have to just use it. You could also use it as a beach bag. It's nice and sturdy. So the material on this one is jute. The style is rustic. And of course, you can use it, as I mentioned, in the bathroom, bedroom, living room, or the nursery. It's a multi-use storage basket. And of course, it's great for anything. I notice a lot of people put dog toys in here at the front of their door. This one just needs to get a little rounded so that you can go ahead and put some things in there. You can even have throw pillows in there. Let's see if it'll fit that right there. Where's the other pillow? Now look at that. This is quite large. There you go. How cute is that right there, everyone? With the 2 pillows in there. Nice design. It's super big. It can literally fit all that. It's a nice woven storage basket. Super cute, super nice. And for the price that it's going for right now, I would definitely take advantage of this just because this is great to have anywhere in your house. And of course, it folds in half and you can wrap it in a box. There we go. So of course, this one is crafted from natural jute rope. And of course, it's a woven storage basket. Basically looks great anywhere in a display of your house. It does come with sturdy slit handles, so it gives you a more compact design for an easy lift and transportation. And of course, as I mentioned, it works in literally any room. Good for multi-purpose use. So I noticed that a lot of people had mentioned on here, what was they saying here? They like it just because it's a large basket. And I notice a lot of people use it for a laundry basket. So of course, if you have your washer and dryer downstairs from your house, or you live in an apartment and you actually have to consistently move, pack all your dirty stuff in here, grab it to go, and it's heavy duty, ready to go. And it's very stylish and chic. Super simple, super easy. I like this design. This is the Mkono woven storage basket. You can use it for anything multi-purpose. So go ahead and check it out on our Amazon storefront page. Remember to use the code Dealstories so you can go ahead and take advantage of these deals as well. Let's move on to our next product. We are moving lightning fast. Let's go ahead and take a look.